14 signs that show that you're emotionally intelligent. Let's start. 1. You have a robust emotional vocabulary. People with high EQs master their emotions because they understand them, and they use an extensive vocabulary of feelings to do so. While many people may describe themselves as simply feeling bad, emotionally intelligent people can pinpoint whether they feel irritable, frustrated, downtrodden, or anxious. 2. You are curious about people. It doesn't matter if people are introverted or extroverted. Emotionally intelligent people are curious about everyone around them. This curiosity is the product of empathy, one of the most significant gateways to high EQ. The more you care about other people and what they're going through, the more curiosity you're going to have about them. 3. People with high EQs know their strengths and weaknesses. Having a high EQ means one knows strengths and you know how to lean into them and use them to your full advantage while keeping your weaknesses from holding you back. 4. You are a good judge of character. Much of emotional intelligence comes down to social awareness, the ability to read other people, know what they're about, and understand what they're going through. People with high EQ know what others are all about and understand their motivations, even those that lie hidden beneath the surface. 5. People with high EQ are difficult to offend. Emotionally intelligent people are self-confident and open-minded, which creates a pretty thick skin. 6. You let go of mistakes. The key to balance lies in our ability to transform failures into nuggets of improvement. This creates the tendency to get right back up every time you fall down. 7. You don't hold grudges. Holding on to a grudge means you're holding on to stress. And emotionally intelligent people know how to avoid this at all costs. Letting go of a grudge not only makes you feel better, but can also improve your health. 8. You neutralize toxic people. Even when things completely derail, emotionally intelligent people are able to take the toxic person with a grain of salt to avoid letting him or her bring them down. 9. You don't seek perfection. When perfection is your goal, you're always left with a nagging sense of failure that makes you want to give up or reduce your effort. You end up spending your time lamenting what you failed to accomplish and what you should have done differently instead of moving forward, excited about what you've achieved and what you will accomplish in the future. 10. You disconnect. It is extremely difficult to enjoy a stress-free moment outside of work when an email that will change your train of thought and get you thinking about work can drop onto your phone at any moment. People with high EQ are able to disconnect and do not get stressed about such moments. 11. You limit your caffeine intake. Drinking excessive amounts of caffeine triggers the release of adrenaline, and this is the source of fight or flight response. This fight or flight mechanism sidesteps rational thinking in favor of a faster response to ensure survival. 12. You get enough sleep. Sounds simple. High EQ individuals know that their self-control, attention, and memory are all reduced when they don't get enough or the right kind of sleep. So they make sleep a top priority. 13. You stop negative self-talk in its tracks. Emotionally intelligent people separate their thoughts from the fact in order to escape the cycle of negativity and move towards a positive new outlook. After all, what we tell ourselves is far more important than what the world tells us. 14. You won't let anyone limit your joy. While it's impossible to turn off your reaction to what others think of you, You don't have to compare yourself to others, and you can always take people's opinions with a grain of salt. That way, no matter what other people are thinking or doing, your self worth comes from within.